How to fix Microsoft OneNote not syncing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft OneNote not syncing problem. If your notes are not updating across devices or you're seeing sync errors, this video will help you resolve it step by step. So first things first, you'll need to check for your internet connection. So just tap on Wi-Fi and check if you have internet access, because OneNote requires a stable internet connection to sync your notes with OneDrive. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, then try using mobile data and use hotspot to make sure that you are online. Next, open up your OneNote by tapping on your browser, and then on the top right, you will see your profile icon. Just tap on it and then verify your account. If you are signed in into different accounts on different devices, then your notes will not sync properly. So make sure you do it. And then another common fix is closing and reopening your OneNote. So try opening your OneNote again, and then that's it. These are some of the solutions that will help the syncing problem on your Microsoft OneNote. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.